Hey, what's up guys? Today we are at the World Trade Center building. I am doing a video shoot with GQ. This is a video shoot with GQ and Bloomingdales. I'm so excited to show you this stuff. So I just got fitted really quick. I gotta do hair and makeup now. And in the shoot, there's a bunch of snacks. Look at this. Whoa!
Where are you from?
You took me down. Hong Kong originally. Oh, so I've been here since I was 10.
Yes, I love that. Looking off. Oh yes, with the cuffs a little bit. All right, now we're talking.
Yes, Neil.
All right.
Yeah.
Music video vibe now.
Nice. Wow.
Bad things. It's a lot of bad things.
Nice. Great shot. Beautiful.
So we just got done with the GQ photo shoot, and now I am in Soho. We are at Zachary Prell. We're going to be doing a presentation with them at Nordstrom Live. It's 1 o'clock right now. I am heading up to the showroom, change, lunch, and then we're going to head over to the Milk Studios for the presentation.
Awesome, Brad. Thank you. Sweet. Thanks. Let's do this.
Leo and I have a very similar background. Leo made a similar move from finance to fashion.
I started Levitate Style about 4 years ago. I used to work at Morgan Stanley and Barclays, so I was in corporate finance. I've always been into fashion. I've always been the guy that wants to dress well for the workplace and dress for the job you want. I also wanted to represent my community, represent like the minority out there, because I was flipping through magazines and looking through websites and I don't really see myself there, and so part of me is just being out there, putting myself out there and putting like a positive image and pursuing that creative view. I really think travel is such a big part of all of our lives, and I think people should always take the opportunity to go out there, kind of open yourself to new things, and I think when you travel and you experience new things, new culture, you understand people better, and you just make the world feel so much smaller.
Totally agree. You guys are awesome. Alicia, you got it?
I was just taking behind the scenes.
1, 2, 3. So good, thank you.
Great. Thank you from the bottom of my heart to Sam, IG, Tommy, Leo. You guys,
So we just got done with Nordstrom Live with Zachary Prell. That was a really cool experience, getting up there and talking to everybody. Now we're back in Soho. I am stopping by my agency. I need to grab a watch for a photo shoot for the next day. So we just got done in Soho. We picked up the stuff that we needed from the agency. Now we're headed back home. It's been a busy day, but my kind of day. Love it. Got so much done today. It's a lot of fun. So another day tomorrow.